Make yourself comfortable in the lounge with the Touch Command display panels in the rear doors of your BMW 7 and i7. The touch displays control all relevant passenger functions and the rear seat entertainment system. Go to the Blinds menu to put each of the rear shades up or down. Tap Light to turn on the reading lights and adjust their brightness, or to adjust the ambient lighting. Or simply select one of the mime modes with matching ambient lighting and displays. Watch out for great theater moments. Theater mode automatically folds down the BMW theater screen, rolls up the blinds, and adjusts the interior lighting to create the perfect movie-watching atmosphere. Use display settings to control the theater screen display. Move it towards you for better touch control, or move it backwards for a better view. You can also tilt the angle depending on your needs. The display can be turned off and folded up. By clicking on Touch Command, you can adjust the brightness of the display. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.